In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable personalized ads on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left side, select where it says Privacy and Security. And then on the right, select Add Privacy. Should be something that says Add Topics. Go ahead and select that. And if you want to enable that, just toggle to the right to turn that on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.